Solitaire cache can get stuck in the wrong screen orientation when your phone's rotation setting, app state, or display settings prevent the game from responding normally. By the end, you'll know how to determine whether the rotation problem is coming from Solitaire cache or your phone, and which settings to check before reinstalling the app. Start by checking your phone's screen rotation setting. On Android, swipe down from the top of the screen and look for Auto Rotate. If it shows Portrait or Rotation Lock, tap it to enable automatic rotation, then reopen Solitaire cache. On iPhone, open Control Center and check the Portrait Orientation Lock button data. If the lock is enabled, tap it to turn it off, then return to Solitaire cache and test the screen again. Next, completely close Solitaire cache. Do not just leave the game running in the background. Open your recent app screen, remove Solitaire cache, and launch it again. This forces the app to reload its current screen instead of continuing from the previous state. If rotation works in other apps but not in Solitaire cache, test another game or app that normally changes orientation. This tells you whether the phone's rotation sensor is working correctly. If other apps rotate normally, update Solitaire cache through the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on iPhone. An outdated app version can behave differently after an operating system update, so installing the available Solitaire cache update is a useful next step. Android users can also check whether display settings are interfering with the game. Open Settings and search for display or rotation settings. The exact menu names can vary by Android manufacturer, so use the settings search function if you cannot find the option manually. If Solitaire cache is still locked in one orientation, restart the phone. A restart reloads the system services responsible for sensors, display behavior, and app processes. Android users can also clear the Solitaire cache. Go to Settings, open Apps, select Solitaire cache, choose Storage or Storage and Cache, and select Clear Cache. Do not select Clear Data unless you understand what information may be removed from the device. If rotation works everywhere else but remains broken only in Solitaire cache, the issue may be specific to the app or its current screen. In that situation, updating the app and restarting the device are the safest first steps. So the order is simple. Check Auto Rotate or Portrait Orientation Lock. Restart Solitaire cache, test rotation in another app, update Solitaire cache, and then restart your phone. Start with the rotation setting before changing anything else. It takes only a moment and immediately tells you whether the problem is system-wide or limited to Solitaire cache. If this fixed the screen rotation problem, like the video and subscribe for more Solitaire cache fixes.